Hey everybody, we're down here at Penrose Norris Event Center at the Home and Garden Show taking dents out of hoods. Come on down, watch us take dents out of hoods, maybe get some of the dents out of your hoods taken out. As you can see, he's massaging the metal from underneath the hood, being able to get that dent out so where you can't see it and it matches into the wood peel. Takes about 30 seconds to 2 minutes per dent depending on how big the dent is. So we're down here at Penrose Norris Event Center at the Home and Garden Show doing a demonstration, live demonstrations on how we fix hail damage, how we fix dents in your vehicle, doing a little education to be able to inform you on how easy it is for us to do dents in your vehicle. Come on down to the Penrose Norris Event Center at the Home and Garden Show today and tomorrow, and we'll be able to show you exactly what to do. Thank you.
You already done with that one? Hold on, give me the hammer. Give me the hammer.